Want to turn your business data into real growth? Fiverr Pro connects you with top data experts who can analyze, organize, and transform your information into actionable insights. From data entry and web scraping to dashboards, analytics, and machine learning, professionals are ready to help you make smarter, faster decisions. With Fiverr Pro, you can understand your customers, track market trends, and improve your operations without hiring full-time staff. Save time, reduce errors, and focus on what really matters, growing your business. Whether you need data visualization, AI-powered analysis, or custom reports, Fiverr Pro has the right expert for your project. Get started today, find your perfect data specialist, and start turning information into impact.